everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech. Everyone, I'm just using for this video my Boya microphone. It is suitable for YouTubing, and if you want to buy this microphone, this microphone name is Boya M1, and I'll give the link, buy link from Amazon. So click the link and buy this microphone for your best YouTubing recording video. Best microphone in cheap price. Thank you very much. Go to the link under this video and buy this microphone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech Master BD. Today I'm gonna show you how to research your keywords in YouTube in part 2. If you didn't see my first video, part 1 video, then go to the link and under description and see the first one video. In that video I have given two methods, and here I will give two more methods, two ways for like keyword researching methods. So let's get started the video. So first of all, then my text. Yeah, already I have shown my first part video, keywords research with Google AdWords, and second, keyword research with Google search engine. Okay, now today I'm gonna show you two methods, like keyword research with TubeBuddy and VidIQ, and keyword research with Google search in Google pages and Google web pages. So let's get started the video. First of all, open your video and just page. Okay, so here it is. So you need efficient and perfect keywords, right? So search like how to earn money. Okay, then from YouTube. Okay, so here you will get some videos, and if you need some keywords, okay, so then here you will get some more efficient keyword, which is here you can see this the site in this title site here overall for 48.9. okay, so then vidIQ keyword volume 66.9. okay, so this top related opportunities, top word keywords, this all. Okay, and highest views. You will have to install your in browser. Okay, then vidIQ and this extension before. Okay, then this one is TubeBuddy. You will also install a TubeBuddy extension. Okay, so go to and search in Google, then you can also get like TubeBuddy extension for Firefox. Okay, and for if you then click and install. Also our Chrome, right, Chrome. Okay, so you get two, and vidIQ is this vidIQ extension for Chrome. Yeah. Okay, extension for Chrome here. Yeah, install in Chrome. Already I have installed this. That's why I removed from Chrome. No, I don't want to use this. Okay, so don't need it. Okay, now you will get some enable inline keywords. So here these are the keywords. Okay, YouTube channel, how to create a YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel and earn money in India. So this is one of the best keywords. You can also copy from here, click here and copy, and you can also research from here. This is the dashboard. Yeah, see most used search volume, competition, no, don't take this. Also try this. You can also take this, because how to create a YouTube channel, competition is high. I think that could be better in competition low and search volume is high. So this will be the great one. You can also copy to clipboard. Okay, copy. After copy this, you can also put in your video this keywords. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is easiest way, using vidIQ and search your keys and keywords and SEO, and you can also copy all the tags here. You can understand, just click here if you wanna select all, and if you wanna select individual keywords, then you can also select any kind of this, and you can also research which keyword is volume is high, search ranking is high, and competition is high and low, and try to select the one which keywords searching word keywords is competition is low, okay, and searching volume is high, okay, then your video will be ranked very soon. So this is the method, and you can also use TubeBuddy and search your keywords. That click here and launch keyword explorer now. Then you can also write here any keywords and you can research the keywords. Okay, so like this, I am just how to make money on YouTube. Okay, so search here how to make money on YouTube. Okay, then you will get some result. Okay, so oh my god, okay, here, okay, here, and search here how to make money on YouTube. Okay, explore, then you will get some result, summary result, historical map, etc. Okay, so overall score here, score analysis. Okay, this is a decent amount of competition, but this keyword is searched so often is worth targeting. Okay, so here overall score is good, 47 by 100. Okay, so here this is the main thing. Search volume is excellent, this is good. Competition unweighted, yeah, is very good. Is if the competition level is high, volume is high, then don't try to select it. Because of that, there are lots of famous YouTubers and they are uploading this kind of video and this important keywords videos. So don't try to take that kind of keywords. This one is good, fair. Search volume is fair and automation assistant is excellent. That's good. That's the perfect one. You can also of videos in search result, 146 million of monthly search estimate, 782k. This is the perfect one. You can select this type of keywords from here. Yeah, common video tags. You can also select all by clicking, and individually you can select individually by this. Like I wanna take it. No, this one only. And web search, you can also check in web search results keywords. This is the perfect one in UK. How to make money on YouTube in UK. Okay, video topics, they will suggest lots of video topics to you. So yeah, I'll select every viewers is trustworthy. Then you can also like none. You can also select this like after checking, like click make money on YouTube. Then you can select also this conversation score. This is not better, but you can select it. Might be your video would be ranked. Okay, so you can also select make money in 2020. Okay, so 2020 in 2021. So here, oh, that's good, not bad. Okay, so search volume good, computation is well, not so high, and optimization is still excellent. So you can select this keyword, it will worth it. Okay, so then you can put it here. You can also research and explore. Okay, so here in TubeBuddy keyword explorer, explorer is good. Here this make money YouTube. Understand guys, this was excellent, this is excellent. And you can also select make money YouTube, make money. Okay, and this one make money YouTube in 2000. This is the perfect one. Okay, so you can all select this, and I'll also select this because of this, the high rank keyword. There is a little bit of competition, but this keyword is searched so often, is worth targeting. Okay, so this keyword is nice. You can put in your video this keyword and your video will be ranked. Okay, so must take this kind of overall score excellent keywords. Okay, so I'll just give it in your video. Okay, make money in YouTube 2021. Make money in YouTube 2021. That should be better, I think so. And okay, then I'll show you something different. Okay, so right, you have to write. And the third method is okay, this not this one. Okay, this one already I have shown to you all in 3 process and 3 methods, and this is the last one, keyword research with Google search in Google pages, web pages. Okay, so go to the Google page, after that search how to earn money from YouTube. Okay, so search. Okay, start a channel. Okay, then you'll get some here searches related to how to earn money from YouTube. Okay, so how to earn money from YouTube without AdSense. Okay, how to create a YouTube channel and make money. PDF, how to make money on YouTube channel without making videos. How to make money on YouTube 2000. You can also search. Okay, you will get some searches related keywords from here. Okay, like this. You can also select how to earn money from YouTube 2020. Then you will have some suggested how to earn money from YouTube views. You can also copy from here. I can put your video like YouTube monetization requirements, how to make money on YouTube. Okay, how many views on YouTube till you get paid, how much money do you make on YouTube with 1000 subscribers. These all the related and important keywords that you can also use in your video for rank your video. Like the search engine optimizations is the most important related keywords in this related searches related keywords. So you can also copy all, and you can also select the perfect one like this. Like you will write 21 and on YouTube, whether it 2021, then in you will have some 2020. You will have some lots of option from here. Okay, and then also select this keyword. Okay, take money, how to make money, then also how to make money on YouTube 2021, then copy and paste in your video. Okay, and then like this, and you can continuously check your keywords searches related to how to make money on YouTube 2020, then how to earn money from YouTube views. Okay, you can also copy and put. This is the process. This is the 4-method process, and this is the second part, keyword research and SEO to SEO related video. Then you will rank your video by using this method and this way. If you apply this in your video, then this is the tricks and process and method. So if you like this video, if you have any question to ask me, then you can just ask me in this comment section, and you'll have your answer very soon. And if you like this video, please comment and just subscribe to my channel and just be with me and stay with me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.